Hello, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is yet another Diwali or Deepavali sweet recipe. This time I'm making Poha Ladoo or Aval Ladoo. This is very easy to make and very few ingredients are involved. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it, and also like, share and comment. So let's move into the video. So to begin with, I have a pan on low heat and I've heated it nicely. Into the pan we are going to add the poha or aval. Now we are going to just dry roast it for a few minutes. So I'm just adding the poha to the pan. And let's just dry roast this for 5 minutes until they turn very crisp. So the poha is turned crispy. Now let's remove it from the flame and transfer it into a plate and cool it completely. So the poha is cooled nicely and it's nice and crispy. Now we'll add this to a mixie jar and make a coarse powder out of it. So the powder is ready. Now into this we are going to add the jaggery. I've got chopped jaggery, about 1/4 cup here. That I'm going to add to this mixture and then again blend it for a few minutes. So the blended mixture is ready in here. You can see it's nice and coarse. Now into this mixture I'm going to add some cardamom powder, followed by 3 tablespoons of melted ghee. I've also got some roasted almonds which I've chopped finely. Let's add that as well. Now let's mix everything together. Now the mixture is mixed well. Let's shape them into laddus. So for this quantity we should be able to get around 9 laddus. So that's one ready. Let's make the rest of them in the same way. So do try this recipe at home and let me know how you found it. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.